wonderful day. Pulling passengers. It's got the sun shining. The sky's blue, and the birds are chirping and singing. What can possibly go on such a perfect day like this? Oh my goodness, what was that? Oh my goodness, it's beginning to rain. Oh dear. I hope your engines will be worried about the terrible weather. I gotta bring the passengers to Naffer Station. And then I go back to the sheds because it's raining. Man, we have a fun time during spring. It sure is, Percy. We got more days left until spring break. And then we have Easter. Yeah, I think I'm excited for spring because the flowers can be blooming and it will grow. That means we don't have to worry about winter. I'm so glad we won't wear that snow cloud anymore because winter is gone. Yeah, I know. But it's too sad that Angelina, Alice, Gracie, and Vicky were not here since last year on October. I guess Jeremiah missed them so much. It's because we have a lot of fun we have during 2024 through 2025 and 2025 until October. Jeremiah's got one more school left until he's done school. And it'll be sad. I think he still doesn't want to forget about us during school. I know, Percy. He does have school. A lot of people love school during their childhood, their teenhood. But I know Jeremiah's life was very sad since our director passed away. And it's very sad, but I know he was just doing videos, doing school stuff, and doing community skills during Tuesday and Friday. I know. Well, maybe he will play with us and have fun with us before spring break comes in 2 weeks. I mean, 1 week, I guess. I know, Emily. I know what you get. I know how y'all feel since Britt passed away. Before my 80th anniversary last year. But I'm really sure I'll miss her before my 81st anniversary comes. Speaking of my 80th first anniversary, here comes Edward. Hello, everybody. Hello, Edward. So, how's your day doing while I was gone during my pastor one? It's really great, Edward. We were talking about what we're gonna do before spring break opens. We just got one more episode left of season 3 for our last season. Yeah, and Jeremiah's gonna be working on episode 10, episode 11, and now he's gonna do the final finale of season 13. His final birthday episode, and it's come out in May 22nd. Oh, I can't wait. And speaking of which, I think Jeremiah wasn't gonna like this before spring break. Anyway, what's the problem? Well, while I was jumping during my pasture one, I saw the clouds up in the sky turning gray, and it's beginning to rain. But we had to wait until rain comes. So, how long did it take, Edward? Any minute now, Percy. I guess I was wrong. Well, it went wrong, but I know it's gonna be right. Well, it wasn't right. Because Henry doesn't like the rain, and he learned that he got burned up in a tunnel before. Every spring, Henry always hates rain, but the flowers need some water to grow and bloom.
don't know why he doesn't like that. He has his own shape before that we met Thomas during season 1 of our TV show back then, 1984. Yeah, I was introducing Thomas and Gordon, and Thomas gets tricked after 3 railway engines of Edward, Gordon, and Henry. I know Thomas. Oh, I'll never forget the old days that George Collin and Regal started narrating this series through season 1 through season 2. And now George Collin was narrating us through season 3 through season 4. Even Michael Angeles. I'll never forget him after he passed away back in 2020. I know Thomas. Boy, we missed the whole fun and all the excitement that the kids have during their childhood. Yeah, they kind of missed us since our series was ended back in 2021. But at least I will return this year because in fall we're having our new series. Yeah, they're gonna do our new series. But when I first saw that, I don't know why my new face was really, I don't know, kind of interesting, I guess. Yeah, I just don't know why I'm gonna tell drawing like this of my 2026 design. My nose and my face did not look good. Yeah, especially my I went over design before and tell Mattel draw my design like that. I just don't know why Mattel made our designs look weird. Let's just forget about it. Yeah, Percy, you're right. How could you think this day couldn't get any worse?
Are you kidding me?
Whoops. My bad, guys. Yep. Harry's not gonna like this if it rains.
I heard that!
Sorry. Quickly, buddy. Let's get inside to our shed so we won't get wet. Good idea, Edward. Won't like this, guys. I know, me too, buddy. Me neither. I'm out. Okay, maybe this isn't a good idea to stay outside. But physically, Firebox, it was pouring outside. We just have to wait till it stops raining. Alright, I think we're safe here, guys. Yep, me too. Man, I did not like this at all. I bet the kids were worried about if it rains. I already feel bad for those children who get scared by the thunder. Oh boy. Don't worry, James. It will stop just for 5 seconds. Really? 5 seconds? Oh, great. What couldn't get any worse? Boo! Ah! Percy! Percy, you know it's not funny. He could be scared in the dark. Well, sometimes they have.
What's that moving in the corner? What's that shell on the wall? Don't be afraid, don't be scared, there is nothing at all. But I saw something in the corner. I saw the shell on the wall. It's just your imagination. Look, it's just a whistle now. Boo, boo, choo choo. Don't be afraid of dark. It's easy we explain. You see my face go bumping at night. Boo, 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 choo choo. Don't wander from your track. And don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid of dark.
Come on, there's nothing to be scared about, right?
The little engine wondered, he thought about the night. There's nothing strange, it's just the same why daylight turned to night. A something moving in the corner, a shout across the wall. He closed his eyes, counting 10 and mirrored the wise old owl. Boo boo choo choo. Don't be afraid in the dark. When the lights go round, you have your doubts. Why things go bumping in the night. Boo 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 choo choo. Don't wander from your mark. And don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid in the dark. But I know it's not Halloween, but there's no monsters, guys. So don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid of the dark. Boo boo choo choo. Don't be afraid of the dark. It's easy breeze when you see white things go bumping at night. Boo 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 choo choo. Don't wander from your track. And don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid of the dark.
Wow. Spooky. Scary, isn't it?
What's that moving in the corner? What's that shadow on the wall? Don't be afraid, don't be scared, your ears nothing at all. But I saw something in the corner, a shadow cross the wall. It's just your imagination. Look, it's just a wise old owl. Boo boo choo choo. Don't be afraid in the dark. It's easy we use when you see white things go bumping at night. Boo 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 choo choo. Don't wander from your track. And don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid of the dark. No, don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be. Don't be afraid of the dark. And now for the fun part. Boo!
Boy, that was so much fun. Thank you guys for making me feel better. No problem, James. Yeah, that's what friends do. We better get some sleep when the rain stopped. I think you're right. Night, everyone. Night, Thomas.
Oh, what a dreadful night that I'm singing the song. What time is it? Oh, it's 7:40 in the morning. It has stopped raining. I'm so glad. Well, now it stops raining. It's time to go back to my branch line. And might as well get the wash down and get to work. Well, I know about Angeline's coming back. Well, I hope. Hey, y'all. I know I've been for a while here, but I'm very excited with that. But do you know about the new episodes coming? Yeah, 3 episodes left, and Jeremiah's gonna have more 3 episodes left for his final episode and final season on May 22nd. Cause I'm really excited for Angeline and Byron to come back on YouTube. But I don't know how long she's coming back on YouTube. Does anyone out there on YouTube know when Angelina Barrier comes back on YouTube? Let me know in the comments before our episode 10 comes out. Because Easter's coming. Because me, best friend of mine, and the Palace Pets, and all our friends are going to have Easter egg hunt. And we are going to watch Easter stuff. Oh, and also, guys, next month it will be Barney's Great Adventures 28th anniversary because we're gonna celebrate it. Cause it was released on April 3rd, 1998, when Alec Baldwin narrated it back in season 5. I hope y'all enjoyed this rain episode. And we'll see y'all next episode. I know I would just bring for a while. I'm sorry, buddy. Also, anyway. Goodbye, folks.